Hello, and welcome to Shiva's Tech Hub. No need for dual or clone app features on phones to use two WhatsApp different accounts on one device. WhatsApp introduces multiple account support, enabling users to use two mobile numbers on one app. This feature is set to roll out to Android users. Open your WhatsApp. Click on More Settings at top right corner. Choose Settings from the pop-up. Click on down arrow beside your name or QR code to add new account. Click on Add Account. Click on Agree and Continue. Enter new phone number and click on Next and follow instructions to add as another account. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment to my video.